welcome back to another video. And today I am I will be doing. You guys don't know what I'm doing. This is a very good reaction. It is a limited time drink from somewhere. Can you guys guess? I'm gonna give you guys 5 seconds to guess. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. What did you? If you guys comment down below the right group, I will notify you guys. If you have a YouTube channel, I will give you a shout out in the next video if you guess my drink. So I will be reacting to this, the unicorn frappuccino. Me and my family had to go and find this. We had to go to the extent of the earth to get this unicorn frappuccino. And I've been wanting one of these for like 2 days now. So I'm gonna react to its taste. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's so good. I recommend you guys get this. It's a limited time offer. Starbucks drink. Unicorn frappuccino right here. I love me some Starbucks. Alright, so that's where I'm going to end it off, you guys. And